I'm going to do an experiment with cold water and hot water. The materials required are a cardboard piece, hot water, cold water and two colors and a brush. So first we are going to mix the cold water with blue color. Here we have mixed it well. Next I am going to take red color and mix it with the hot water. Now we have mixed that also very well. Next, we are going to flip this cold water over this hot water. So first let's put this cardboard this way. As you could see, in the previous time, we flipped the cold water on top of the hot water and it mixed slowly. The water's molecules mixes very slowly and the color both mixed now. Now we are going to flip the hot water on top of the cold one. Now the edges are shapely in. Let's pull out this carefully. Here the water does not mix. When we put the cold water on bottom and flip the hot water on top of it, it does not mix.